Hey everyone, this is Katie Novak, and you're listening to The Education Table, a micro podcast where I tackle your questions about inclusive education in 10 minutes or less. Today, we're talking about the power of AI, not as a replacement for educators, but as a game-changing tool to elevate our work. We'll kick things off with a helpful anecdote about how I taught my own kids to leverage AI to help them and how to better prepare them for the future. And then I'll share some compelling research and stats and close things out with 3 tips that you can start doing right away to lighten your load while strengthening your practice. So let's dive in. I want to tell you a quick story about how AI helped my 13-year-old son overcome writer's block. One day, he was completely stuck on a writing assignment, lamenting, how am I ever going to write 1,000 words? He spent so much time procrastinating that he could have been halfway done. Finally, I had a light bulb moment and introduced him to some AI tools that I love to use when overcoming or preventing writer's block. I showed him how to use Google Voice recording to dictate his ideas and then copy and paste them into ChatGPT for copy editing. The key here is using the prompt, do not change any of my words, copy edit only. He was so amazed at how much progress he made when he simply closed his eyes and talked about what he knew. The block disappeared, and now, even when he's not allowed to use those tools, he knows how to free write and worry about revisions later. Watching him do that made me realize how AI can absolutely change learners' outcomes and educators' outcomes too. So let's dive into why. I am going to be really short and sweet with the research because this one is a banger. So get ready. AI helps us design differentiated instruction, scaffold complex tasks, and create accessible resources quickly. It's like having a co-teacher who can generate options and organize ideas and never runs out of energy, kind of like me. In fact, in a 2022 McKinsey report, they found that educators who used AI tools to automate some of the more repetitive tasks reclaimed 13 hours per week. Imagine what you could do with 13 extra hours in a week. I'm over here thinking about all the miles that I could run and the extra hours that I could sleep with that much time on my hands. So suffice to say, just as AI helped my son, you need it in your life as an educator. Also, in a 2024 Work Trend Index annual report from Microsoft and LinkedIn, there was some amazing stats. There was an infographic called The New Hiring Imperative. And in it, 66% of leaders noted that they would not hire someone who did not have AI skills. So not only is it critical to find more time in our lives, but we have to stay sharp and tech savvy so we are at the top of our game because people are looking for it. So how can you leverage these powerful tools? Let's dive into the strategies. So I want to talk about 3 ways that AI can transform your teaching starting today. 1, leverage AI to generate personalized learning pathways. Use it to create step-by-step learning paths tailored to your students' needs. For example, AI can suggest scaffolding for students who are struggling with foundational skills or provide enrichment activity ideas for advanced learners. So by inputting learning targets and standards, AI can help craft differentiated pathways that ensure that all students are moving towards mastery or beyond mastery at their own pace. Number 2, use AI to streamline feedback. AI tools like ChatGPT or Magic School AI can help you craft actionable feedback in seconds. For example, you can input a student's work along with your rubric, and AI will provide feedback that's very clear and very specific and very developmentally appropriate. This means more time for meaningful conversations with students about their learning and less time writing the same comments over and over and over again. Better yet, teach your students to input the rubric themselves and ask for feedback, and then they can pose questions about what they want you to answer in writing conferences. So again, move that repetitive comments over to the robots. Number 3, use AI as a thought partner for really creative lesson design. So maybe you're feeling stuck on how to make a lesson more engaging. AI can brainstorm ideas alongside you. For example, when I asked ChatGPT for creative ways to teach narrative writing, it gave me 4 great options, but it wasn't perfect. So I had to refine the prompts to make sure that they aligned with my goals and the standards. So AI is a great partner to spark ideas, but it's up to you to ensure that those ideas meet grade level standards. So what is the takeaway? AI is not a replacement. It is an amplifier when it is used intentionally and responsibly. It really helps us to focus on the most important parts of our work, building relationships with students, designing meaningful learning experiences, and really fostering agency and inclusion in our learning environments. Thank you so much for tuning into the Education Table. Don't forget to check the show notes for bonus resources. And as always, onward. But before we go, by the way, Catlin Tucker and I created 2 bonus chapters for a book that we wrote about elevating design through AI. They're not in the book, but you can get them. The first one is for educators really looking to propel their professional development journey, and it outlines how you can transform that journey with AI. The second chapter was written with leaders in mind. It highlights how leaders can leverage AI to create really great environments to drive transformative change in schools and districts. And this is to benefit students, educators, and the entire school community. So head to the show notes to get all the details. And as always, thank you so much for being here.